Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to practice a new language or just prefer browsing in a different one, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find Settings. Click on it to open the Settings page. On the left side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one labeled Languages and click on it. This will take you to the language settings for Chrome. Here, you'll probably see that English is the only language listed. To add a new language, click on Add Languages. A new window will pop up with a list of almost all the languages available. For this video, I'll be adding French as the new language. So, I'll scroll down, find French in the list, and select it. Once you've chosen your language, click Add at the bottom. Now that French is added, you'll see it listed alongside English. But we're not done yet. To make French the display language for Google Chrome, click the three dots next to French and select Display Google Chrome in this language. After doing this, you'll need to click Relaunch for the changes to take effect. When Chrome relaunches, you might see a notification asking you to confirm the change. Simply click Exit on it, and your browser will now be in French. If you ever want to revert back to English or remove the newly added language, it's just as easy. Click the three dots next to the new language, in this case, French, and select Remove. The option will be labeled Descender, which means go to down in French. Then, click the three dots next to Anglais, which means English, and select Afficher Google Chrome dans cette langue, which means display Google Chrome in this language. Finally, click Relaunch again. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Google Chrome and learned how to switch it back. This feature is great for multilingual users or anyone looking to browse the web in a different language. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.